In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an iCloud backup in progress. Whether you're freeing up some space, experiencing slow uploads, or simply need a quick solution, cancelling an iCloud backup is straightforward. Let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this right from your device. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and navigate to the Settings app. This is the app with the gear icon, generally found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once inside Settings, you'll want to look at the very top of the menu where you'll see your name or the banner that represents your Apple ID profile. Tap on your name and this will take you into a section of settings specific to your account. Here, you'll see various options related to your Apple ID, including password and security, payment and shipping, and so on. Scroll down a bit and find the iCloud option. Tap on it and this will direct you into a more detailed view of iCloud settings. Now you'll want to focus on the iCloud backup section. It usually appears near the bottom of the iCloud settings page. Tap on iCloud backup to see its specific settings. Here you might see that a backup is currently in progress, indicated by a message or a loading icon. If a backup is indeed underway, don't worry. Simply look for the option labeled Stop Backup. Tapping on this will cease the backup process instantly and allow you to regain control over your device's resources. Sometimes you might instead see a toggle switch for iCloud backup. If this is the case, just toggle that switch to the off position. This action will stop the backup right away and also prevent iCloud from automatically backing up your device in the future until you decide to turn it back on. You might be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to stop the backup. This is simply an extra measure to ensure no accidental taps. Go ahead and tap Confirm to finalize your decision. Once you've done this, the backup that's currently in progress will be cancelled immediately, freeing up your internet bandwidth and potentially stopping any unnecessary storage accumulation. And there you have it. You've successfully cancelled an iCloud backup in progress. Remember, doing this does not delete any existing backups, so all your previous data is safe. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to manage your backup settings or if you need to pause the process temporarily. Hopefully you found this guide useful, and as always, don't forget that managing your iCloud settings allows you to optimize device performance and storage preferences according to your needs. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time for more tech tips and tutorials.